Hello everybody, welcome to this special DIY edition of WolfVision Insights. Today we are going to have a look at our VC3 and VC8 Neo UHD, their unique swivel option and how to install it correctly. The VC3 8 Neo UHD version B is designed to be mounted onto a horizontal tabletop. The visualizer is installed with the swivel plate and the optional working surface can be attached directly onto the tabletop. Depending on how it is installed, the visualizer can be set up to rotate through 90 degrees either to the right or to the left. To keep the desk space tidy, all cables can be routed through the tabletop. Follow each step carefully. Check the online manual and help for more details. Due to the different installation possibilities for the swivel plate, you need to decide first on your preferred way of mounting your device. Fold down to the left, storage position to the left-hand side. Fold down to the right, storage position on the right-hand side. Please note that there is space required for mounting, operation and storage. Print the template out scaled 1 by 1 and use it for marking the correct installation position. You will find the template in the online manual. Check that the tabletop is suitable. Soft material may prevent correct installation. Extremely hard or solid material may require different drilling tools. Prepare all necessary parts. The unit with the supplied screws, hex nuts and mounting plate. Prepare all required tools, including pencil, Torx 20 screwdriver, drill, 4 mm drill bit, 30 mm hole saw, brad awl, 7 mm spanner. After you have prepared all necessary tools and equipment, we start with marking the correct position of the visualizer on the tabletop. As this is a very important step, do it very carefully and measure it a second time to be sure it is correct. Mark the maximum pickup area of 497 mm by 300 mm. Mark at least the top border of the maximum pickup area. Mark the center line of the pickup area and lengthen it by 185 mm to find the center position of the visualizer. Measure 156.2 mm from the top border of the pickup area and mark it. This line and the previously marked center line are needed to place the opposite mounting plate as a template. Place the opposite mounting plate. The center of the upper holes must match the marked line and the tip has to match the center line. Note the correct orientation and Roman numerals. 1 is for the storage position, 2 is for the working surface area or the camera pickup area, 3 marks the free area. Mark the drill holes for the fixing screws. Mark the position of the optional hole through the tabletop, which allows the cables to be routed through the tabletop. If you want to route the cables through the tabletop, drill the optional hole through the tabletop with a diameter of 30 mm. We strongly recommend going for this option. First, place an M4 countersunk screw through the swivel plate tabletop end opposite the mounting plate and fix it using the supplied hex nut. Rotate the unit to place the second M4 screw through the swivel plate, tabletop, and opposite mounting plate and fix it using the supplied hex nut. Please note, using the supplied screws, the tabletop depth can only be between 50 mm to 45 mm. If your table is a different size, select a suitable screw size based on the thickness of the tabletop. Under no circumstances should the screw block the swivel mechanism. The tips of the screws must not protrude. Ensure that both screws are tightened securely. Make sure that the cabling is done correctly, using the cable management provided, and the cables are fixed individually with cable ties. You are now ready to use the VC3 or VC8 Neo UHD with the swivel mount. The swivel of your VC3 or 8 Neo UHD version B is designed to be mounted onto a tabletop with an optional hole through the tabletop for cable management. The adapter plate enables existing holes in the tabletop with diameter of up to 85 mm to be used. Decide on a suitable installation depending on the size and type of tabletop and the size of existing hole. Select fitting screws to mount the adapter plate and to mount the visualizer securely. And that's all there is to it. The unique swivel option of our VC3 and 8 Neo UHD gives a lot of flexibility in designing state-of-the-art working and learning environments. For more information on installation, such as templates, step-by-step instruction, etc., please refer to the online manual and help available in the support area of our website wolfvision.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.